friends, you're here, आप आ गए. So I'm so happy today क्योंकि आज एक और unboxing video आया है and I'm so excited. So first of all तो मैं आपको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि कल मेरा बर्थडे था, तो ये उसी के रिलेटेड कुछ है. तो मुझे उसका जो गिफ्ट मिला था मैं उसका एक अनबॉक्सिंग करने वाली हूँ. एंड तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. अब आप देख सकते हैं शादी से हमारा वीडियो. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इट इज़. एंड ओके गेस. यस, इट्स ब्रेनवीटा प्लस स्नेक्स एंड लैडर्स. सो इसका जो स्नेक्स एंड लैडर्स है वो इसका पीछे में दिया हुआ है लाइक अ बोर्ड, और अंदर इसका होगा ब्रेनवीटा. सो लेट्स ओपन इट एंड हियर कम्स आवर ब्रेनवीटा. और फिर यहाँ पे रूल्स मिले हैं. प्लेस 32 मार्कर्स ऑन कैविटीज ऑफ बोर्ड लीविंग सेंटर कैविटी वैकेंट. Start removing marbles one at a time by move of jumping over the adjacent marble in horizontal or vertical direction. Diagonal move is not allowed. The game is over when there is no chance for jumping over the adjacent marbles. If you finish your game at 1 marble, you are genius. At 2 marbles, you are above intelligence. At 3 marbles, you are intelligent. At 4 marbles, you need practice. So let's see how many marbles are left when we play this game. So here is our game, our brainvita. Okay. So let's keep the box out. And I'm opening it over from here. It's always red color. My old brainvita, when I had it, it broke actually right now. That was also red color. This is also red color. I always have brainvita in red color. Okay, here is our brainvita over here. Now we will start arranging it. So it said we have to leave one cavity like left over. So starting to arrange it. Wait a minute. I arranged all of them. I left the middle cavity like left, but still there is one marble missing. Is it over here? Why is it kept differently from the game? This one marble. Okay. So now our brainvita is ready. Okay, so I'll play now and I'll show you afterwards I play how many marbles are left. So I played honestly and I'm telling you my honest score. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 marbles. So I am a beginner player of brainvita, so that's why there are only 8 marbles left. I think I need practice because it's written at more than 4 marbles or 4 marbles you need practice. You need very much practice. and like just think I have the double of 4 marbles. So I will practice, and this was a gift that my mom gave it to me for my birthday. And yeah, so this was the end of the video. So if you liked it, please like, share and subscribe as I said before. And yeah, bye.